Hello everybody, this is Bois from Mama Bois Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bois menu, we are making strawberry bread. This bread, guys, is so flavorful, super moist, bursting with fresh strawberries, vanilla extract, strawberry extract, and sour cream. I love this strawberry bread, guys. It's a perfect dessert, snack, even breakfast. So let's get started. You know Mama Bois doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients, guys. You will need all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sour cream, melted butter, vanilla extract, strawberry extract, eggs, and sliced strawberries. Start by combining the dry ingredients into my flour. I'm gonna add sugar, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix everything together, then set it aside. Now let's move on and work on our wet ingredients. In a small bowl, I'm gonna add eggs along with sour cream. In goes melted butter, vanilla extract. In goes strawberry extract. Beat until well combined. Add flour in 3 batches. Remember, guys, as with all quick breads, to not overmix the batter. Mix the wet ingredients well, then mix in the dry ingredients just until they are combined. Next, we're gonna toss in the strawberries. Guys, I would advise to toss the strawberries with flour so they don't all sink to the bottom of the loaf pan. I don't normally do that, and I never had a problem whereby my fruits have sunk to the bottom. And also, do not overmix, as we don't want our batter to turn pink. Add the batter to the loaf pan. I'm using 9 by 5 inches loaf pan, guys. It's greased and lined with parchment paper. Spread with a spatula to an even layer. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Then pull it out and cover with foil and continue to bake for another 35 minutes. There you have it, guys. Strawberry bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.